Jamani, tusalimiane kwa mikono. Weka mikono tu jamani, hivi. Unajua tuko with that season of politics. Nimeingia hapo nikashikwa na kashetani fulani nika politics. Ndio maana nikapulio vya wewe. How you guys doing? You all good? Mko poa? Yeah, my name is Ali Yusuf Etale. I'm a Kenyan songwriter, recording, performing artist. Anajulikana kama Arrow Boy. And it's a special day. First of all, happy Women's Day. Happy International Women's Day to all the beautiful ladies in the building. Jipigeni kelele tafadhali. Everyone in the room, if you believe a woman is the most beautiful creature on this planet, somebody say awo. Yenyewe kuna watu hawatambui wanawake. Tunaifanya tena. If you believe a woman is the most beautiful creature on this planet, somebody say woman. Somebody say woman. Tupigeni kelele tafadhali. Asante. Sikuwangi mwingi wa maneno. I don't speak much. I'm not a very good public speaker. But I'm a good public performer. Naweza perform vizuri sana. With me I have my amazing baby lady. Tunaitananga majina mingi sana, lakini jina ya serikali anajulikana kama Faith, hajaiwaambia. Anaitwa Faith. So namuitanga Faith sometimes. Mzuke kinipanda zaidi, naongeza watu wengine tutasema baadaye. So yes guys, we're here. First of all, thank you so much for turning up. It's a weekday. Thank you so much for honoring our invitation. This means a lot to us. Mungekuwa sehemu nyingine mnafanya makazi zenu, but you sacrifice everything. You here, clap for yourselves. Sijui tulete kiti bibi yangu au mtu wangu akae kidogo. Are you okay baby? All right. Sendi kuongea sana. So yeah, so thank you so much for turning up. Today is a special day to us, and it's a special day worldwide. First of all, we're celebrating the most amazing creatures on the planet. Si wote tuko hapa juu ya mama, juu ya mwanamke. Si ni kweli? We are here because of a woman. And since it's a special day to all of us, leo tuko na big reveals. One of the reveal, it's this beautiful baby called Lola and Safari. Lola and Safari is so dear to us. I'll be so brief. Undo mtu anajua kukata hii maneno vizuri. I'll be so brief. Lola and Safari ni mtoto wetu. And in any African setting, mtoto akizaliwa na kwa community, right? Kitambo, when I was young, nilikuwa unatumwa na majirani, endo nilete sukari, mtoto wa nani? Babangu alikuwa anaitwa Msokoto. Mtoto wa Msokoto, endo nilete sukari, unaweza enda kunilete kibiriti. So a child in any society ni mtu wa kusaidia jamii. So Lola and Safari, my beautiful baby, ataongea more about that. It's a sensitive topic to us, but we are so happy you here guys. Mnaenda kuisikia kwa upana zaidi, na we are happy to release our beautiful child and huko nje asaidie society. So my beautiful baby, round of applause to this beautiful woman. Thank you so much. She's gonna take you through mjue Lola and Safari ni nini, na what's the vision, what's the mission. Yeah, najua mshaisikia kwa ngoma Lola and Safari na wakuite daddy. So, my beautiful baby Nadia, take over.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Today is a good day. Sijubana, you guys look down. Good afternoon. Thank you so much, most of all, for coming to our two big reveals. We have our first one, which is Lola and Safari Foundation. I might get a little bit emotional because this is very dear to me. So Lola is very feminine. Safari is very masculine, all right? So apart from, we are having our own franchise. That's a discussion for later. So it's for Lola and Safari. So you guys will see Lola and Safari lipsticks, so many pads, and so many and so forth. So Lola and Safari, the name was supposed to give a child that's hatukufika hapo. I don't like to talk about it, so yeah. So yeah, sorry. I'm happy. So it's a foundation that is very, very dear. Very dear to us because number one, it's it's something that's very intimate. But anyway, so what we do with Lola and Safari Foundation is that we're here to nurture and mentor, educate the young girls and young mothers. We're here to support them. So along the line when we decided to have this, we approached a couple of partners, and our biggest partner happens to be RFH. Thank you so much. So we are the official brand ambassadors of RFH Healthcare. We'll be walking this journey with them. Yes, wapigie makofi kidogo. We will be walking this journey with RFH for the next 1 year. So just basically we're here to talk to mothers. Pregnancy is not a joke. I've been there, this is my second time. And kama bado wewe ni msichana, wacha tu nikuprepare. Si joke. Like mentally, physically, financially. So I just imagine God has blessed me or has blessed us. Kidogo chetu chenye tuko nacho. And imekuwa haijakuwa safari rahisi. Just imagine that mother in the village or ako kwa slum who's not able to do it. Imagine your stress here. Me, I had morning sickness. I went for my US tour. I was 2 months pregnant, I think. Let me tell you, kifondogo. I would vomit na mapua. Yani in the whole tour. And my manager didn't know that, my tour manager didn't know I was pregnant. So you have to, look like you're fine. Not tapika. So being in the limelight, of course, hata ukikuwa na shida kubwa aje, you never have to show your problems. So I always had to suppress his own. Sometimes I'm sick. We are moving state to state. I have no one I can reveal to yet. There's so many perceptions about pregnancy and music and so it was really, really hard. So when I sat down, pia nikaona changamoto. Lavenda, who's been my amazing nurse, can tell you, and my medical nakosa maneno, my friend now, can tell you venye hiyo safari haijakuwa rahisi. So we sat down and thought, imagine that mama mwenye hana pesa kabisa, hana mtu wa kumsupport. Because sometimes young girls wanapata mimba, unarukwa, no one is there for you. So we're here to support. The big dream, the big vision is building centers That is what I want to be remembered for as Nadia and also as Ali. You know, that we helped young girls, we helped mothers. The main reason is because this is very, very personal to me. I have, yani, mama yako alikuwa anakuambia ungoje. Sasa ndio unaelewa kwa nini. You need to be mentally ready, you need to be financially ready. So I felt like I need to do this. I have walked the journey, I feel it. What about those girls when they drop out of school because of pregnancies? You know? Halafu society now inawaweka mbali. No one wants to listen to you. Mwanamke amepata mimba sasa atasaidia aje? My statement today, my tagline is, no dream should die for gender's sake. I'm picking my phone. You know, no dream should ever die for the sake of gender. You know, just because you're a woman and just because you got a baby, you don't have to put your dreams on hold. That is what we're here to tell the young girls and the young mothers. But sometimes you're frustrated. And I remember when I got pregnant this time, that is when God remembered me the most. I don't want to swear, but I've done so many corporate deals ever since because I have embraced my journey privately. I know, what are blogs mko hapa mnauliza Nadia alikuwa anaficha mimba? No. Pregnancy is a very personal journey. Yani kuna siku unaamka, you have a big meeting, you just feel like you want to sleep the whole day. So sometimes it's because some of us don't want to reveal it out there. We don't want to walk with every fan day by day. Oh, I woke up, I'm 3 months, that's just not an Nadia thing. I want it when I'm ready. I talk about my journey because, kifo ndogo. My mom always says that. But I'm not here to scare you guys. I'm here to ask for your support. Let us show support to the young mothers, to the young girls who've gotten pregnant while still in school. So we will be doing a couple of charity works and a couple of tours. We have our concert that's going to be the main launch, public launch, where we will be raising funds for the young mothers and the young girls. Of course, I will say in partnership with RFH. So the plan is so big. We are ready, we are open to all our partners and our friends who are here. If you want to partner with us, we're very free. Our website goes live today at midnight, and our merchandise as well. So all I can ask for is your support. Let's do a Lola and Safari, hashtag. Whenever I call upon you guys to come and support me, when we are doing the walks, when we are going to the slums, to the interiors, to even the places that are very, Kenya. Mothers wanatekelezwa. And it's not even about mothers, it's about young girls, sensitization to young girls. I also have another tagline, it can wait. If you don't have money, don't get pregnant.